The year was 1908. A year that would be remembered for an event that defied explanation. June 30th. A seemingly ordinary summer morning in the remote Siberian wilderness. The sun rose as it always did, casting a golden hue over the endless expanse of trees. The air was still, the silence unbroken. Then, at 7:14 a.m., the world exploded, a moment that would forever change the landscape and the lives of those who witnessed it. A blinding flash, a searing heat, and a deafening roar shattered the tranquility. The sky lit up with an intensity that rivaled the sun itself. The very ground trembled. Something terrible had awakened in the sky. An unknown force, powerful and relentless. Across hundreds of miles, the taiga forest was flattened. Trees were uprooted and thrown like mere twigs. Trees, once giants of the wilderness, were instantly reduced to charred matchsticks. Millions of them. The devastation was beyond comprehension. The air, thick with smoke and dust, crackled with an energy never before witnessed by human eyes. It was as if the very atmosphere had been set ablaze. Animals, caught in the inferno, perished instantly. The forest, once teeming with life, was now a graveyard. This was no ordinary fire. No earthly force could unleash such devastation. It was a cataclysm of cosmic proportions. This was a cosmic event, an event that would etch its mark not just on the face of Siberia, but on the collective memory of mankind. The Tunguska event, as it would come to be known, remains one of the greatest mysteries of the modern era. The immediate aftermath was nothing short of apocalyptic. Over 800 square miles of forest lay in ruins. The blast, estimated to be thousands of times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb, had left its calling card. Witnesses described a fiery ball of light, brighter than the sun, streaking across the sky. A shockwave traveling at unimaginable speed ripped through the air, knocking people off their feet, shattering windows hundreds of miles away. The night sky, usually a canvas of darkness, glowed with an eerie luminescence. Even in distant Europe, people marveled at the unusually bright nights, unaware of the cataclysmic event that had transpired thousands of miles away. The Tunguska event, as it would come to be known, had announced its arrival to the world in the most dramatic fashion imaginable. Years passed, and the world continued to evolve. The world moved on, yet the mystery of the Tunguska event lingered, casting a long shadow over the early 20th century. Finally, in 1927, a Russian scientist named Leonid Kulik embarked on an expedition to uncover the truth behind this baffling phenomenon. He had heard the stories, the eyewitness accounts of a fiery apocalypse that had lit up the Siberian sky. Kulik was determined to find the source of this mysterious explosion. His journey was arduous, filled with challenges and obstacles. The Siberian wilderness, unforgiving and vast, held its secrets close, making every step of the expedition a test of endurance. But Kulik persisted, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a relentless quest for answers. What he found when he finally reached the epicenter was both breathtaking and perplexing, a scene of utter devastation. The devastation was unlike anything he had ever seen, with trees flattened in a radial pattern. Trees lay flattened in a radial pattern, pointing away from a central point, as if a massive explosion had occurred. Yet there was no crater, no sign of an impact that could explain such widespread destruction. No sign of an impact, no evidence of a meteorite or any other object that could have caused this. It was as if the explosion had originated in mid-air, a massive burst of energy that had flattened everything in its path. The Tunguska event was proving to be even more enigmatic than anyone had imagined, leaving scientists puzzled and searching for answers. The absence of an impact crater became the central puzzle of the Tunguska event. What could cause such widespread devastation without leaving behind a scar on the Earth's surface? Theories abounded. Some whispered of a UFO crash, others of a secret government experiment gone wrong. Scientists, however, sought a more plausible explanation. The most widely accepted theory was that a meteoroid, a fragment of rock and ice from space, had entered the Earth's atmosphere and exploded before hitting the ground. This airburst would explain the lack of a crater and the radial pattern of the fallen trees. but the sheer magnitude of the explosion suggested an object of considerable size, perhaps hundreds of feet across. Where was the evidence? The Tunguska event refused to give up its secrets easily. The Tunguska event, though shrouded in mystery, served as a stark reminder of the cosmic forces at play in our solar system. It was a wake-up call, a reminder that Earth is not immune to the celestial dance of asteroids and comets. In 2013, the world held its breath as another meteoroid entered the Earth's atmosphere over Chelyabinsk, Russia. This time, however, we had the benefit of modern technology. Dash cams and security cameras captured the fiery descent, the bright flash, and the shockwave that followed. The Chelyabinsk meteor, though significantly smaller than the Tunguska object, provided valuable insights into the dynamics of airbursts. It reinforced the theory that even relatively small objects from space could unleash tremendous energy upon entry. The Tunguska event, once a solitary enigma, now had a modern-day counterpart, reminding us of the ever-present threat from above. Despite decades of research and countless expeditions, the Tunguska event remains an enigma. The remote and unforgiving nature of the Siberian taiga has made investigations challenging. The area, sparsely populated and difficult to access, has kept its secrets well hidden. The passage of time has also taken its toll. The flattened trees have long since regrown, obscuring the original blast pattern. Evidence scattered and buried beneath layers of soil and vegetation, whispers of a cosmic drama that unfolded over a century ago. Yet the quest for answers continues. Scientists, armed with new technologies and a deeper understanding of cosmic phenomena, remain determined to piece together the Tunguska puzzle. The Tunguska event, though born of destruction, has ignited a firestorm of scientific inquiry. This mysterious explosion, which flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest in 1908, continues to captivate scientists and researchers around the world. It has spurred advances in asteroid detection and planetary defense, reminding us of our vulnerability in the vastness of space. The event has led to the development of sophisticated technologies aimed at identifying and tracking near-Earth objects that could pose a threat to our planet. Today, telescopes scan the skies, vigilantly searching for potential threats. These observatories, equipped with cutting-edge technology, are our first line of defense against cosmic dangers. Scientists study the composition of asteroids and comets, seeking to understand their origins and predict their trajectories. By analyzing these space rocks, researchers hope to unlock the secrets of the early solar system and gain insights into the building blocks of life. The Tunguska event, a stark reminder of the power of the cosmos, has become a catalyst for protecting our planet. The mystery remains, but it has driven humanity to take proactive measures in safeguarding Earth from similar catastrophic events. But the quest for answers, driven by human curiosity and the instinct for self-preservation, continues. Researchers collaborate globally, sharing data and insights to better understand the threats posed by space objects. The Tunguska event, a cosmic puzzle waiting to be solved, beckons us to explore the universe and unravel its secrets. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the forces that shape our existence. It is a reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves, a cosmic tapestry woven with both beauty and danger. As we continue to explore the universe, we must remain vigilant and prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. Before you go, explorers of the unknown, hit that like button to show your support. Subscribe to uncover more mysteries with us. And don't forget to share this video with fellow adventurers. What do you think caused the Tunguska explosion? Was it a meteor, an alien encounter, or something even more unexplainable? Share your theories in the comments below, and let me know which unexplained phenomenon you want to dive into next. Your idea might just unlock the door to our next adventure into the unseen.